Hello, my name is Thomas Tuller, and I'm the headmaster of this Covenant English School, Manja. As usual, at this time also we arrange again the sport week for the student, as well as to refresh our mind for the teachers as well. And this time we come up with a teamwork wins championships that will really connect with each and every step we take in our life, in the school, in the society, in each organizations or association. We need a teamwork. So I really appreciate my colleague, my teachers, my staff, who are really willing to give their best to be a teamwork. And this time we make them 4 houses, yellow house, and green, and a blue, and a red house. So each team participated well, and also the coming days, I wish them, each leaders, each captains, and all the participants to do their best. CES Manja, long live. Thank you.
And I'm the sport in charge of CES Manja. The annual games and sport to be held from today, that is date 28 to 30 April of 2022. And I wish my well wishes to all the houses to be the champion.
My name is Mejarinto Pipi. I'm from Blue House, and I'm from the Blue Captain. In our team we have 20 up maybe, and I hope we will win this. That will be the winner! Yes! Thank you. My name is Sampriti Mungpi, and I'm the captain of Yellow House. There are maybe 30 up students in our group.
Preparation?
No, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
And cheers for the team.
Who will be the champion? Yeah! My name is Laksmita Ronghangpi, and I am from Red Team. And these are my team. And our preparations was very good, and we all are excited for this match. So we want to do our best. So, and who is the winner? Red Team are the winner! That's all.
My name is Umili, and I am from Greenhouse. Our preparation is nice as we play their games, and I think that we will be the champions of this in this sport.
Who will be the champions?